Hey, what's up everybody? It's Silver Seeker and we have some beautiful silver coins to unbox today, except for, as you can see, they're already out of the box. We're gonna make this even a little bit quicker for you guys and show you some of the beautiful silver that we just got in this week. These are all three brand new. I've never had on the channel before, and I just want to share them with you today. Now, before we get into this, guys, I do want to say if you like videos like this and you want to see more like it, do me a favor before you go, make sure you subscribe. All right, let's go ahead and get into it, guys. We have some beautiful stuff to show you, so we'll get these off to the side and we'll get started with these right here, and we do have some beautiful ones. So this first one right here, guys, comes from 2019, the Republic of Ghana. This is the 1 ounce silver African leopard. Take a look at that, guys, and what you'll notice about this coin, which is really cool, there's a really beautiful pattern background behind the leopard's head right there. You can see the waviness. But if you noticed on the reverse of this coin with the queen's head, it actually has a leopard print pattern as well. So you can see you got the Republic of Ghana 2019 5 CDs right there, guys. And of course, on this side, you have the African leopard 1 ounce of 999 silver. Those are absolutely beautiful. And then, guys, this one right here, this one comes from Australia. Let's get it nice and close to the camera. You can see it has a really cool world pattern in the background with the grid. And if we flip it over, guys, what you can see, guys, we have $1. There's a picture of Australia there. You can see the stars. You can see the grid pattern earth on the background. This is the 2020 Australia 1 ounce silver beneath the southern sky. How awesome is that? Very beautiful. So the 2020 1 ounce silver Australia beneath the southern sky. And then finally, guys, in this one, we have an entire tube of beautiful silver. As you can see, this has not been opened yet. That is a sealed Comsco label. So we're just going to gently slice right down the side. We're going to roll this thing over to the other side, and we're going to do it again here on this side, just like that. There's no tape on this side or the other. And we'll go ahead and pop this off. And take a look. And take a look at that, guys. What we have right here is the 2020 South Korea 1 ounce silver Korean Phoenix. Very gorgeous 1 ounce silver Phoenix right there. You can see down here on the bottom left, that is kind of their anti-counterfeiting mark like they have on the reverse of the 1 ounce Chiwus and Sincanuses. If we flip this baby over to the reverse, you can see we have the Phoenixes on both sides. You have Comsco 1 ounce of fine silver 999 Republic of Korea. Looks like you got a yin yang there in the center and the two Phoenixes right there. And man, I tell you what, guys, what a beautiful design that they have with this one right here. I really like that. So the 2020 1 ounce silver Korean Phoenix. Take a look at that. Alrighty, guys, well, that about does it for this silver unboxing. The 3 beautiful 1 ounce silver coins to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed watching and viewing them. And like I said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I just want to quickly give a huge shout out to my awesome channel members. It's support like yours that make these videos possible. So once again, thank you, guys. I left the video over there. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go and check that one out as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd appreciate a sub if you liked the content. Otherwise, thank you again, and we will see you next time.